Ayan, so diretso tayo sa sliding area. Tara. Ayan, let's go. Where's your bonnet?
Oh, you forgot. That's okay. You don't have a bonnet too.
Okay. Ayan, medyo mahangin. So, medyo mahangin ngayon. Kalimutan namin magdala ng bonnet. Ang pangit ngayon kasi ang bilis na lusaw yung snow. Oops, stop. I know. Oh. Okay, so medyo ma-water. Ayan, watery. So medyo ingat lang tayo dahil tumulubog tayo dito sa ganito. At mamaya lang at kung wala na itong very slimy Chloe. Yan. Kung wala na tong araw na to, malamig ito. Yan, pangit tong ngayon. Hindi dumaan ng mainit na pero negative 20 pa o negative 15. Dapat 'yun ang hinahanap namin. Pero ngayon nagiging positive 8, positive sobrang napaka slimy talaga. So pangit. So tingnan natin kung okay siya at maganda. Okay? So you do this way. Yan. Siya maganda. Yeah, just slowly close. Pangit yung pangit yung pagkaka-snow. Stop, Chloe. Yan. Pangit yung pagkaka-snow. Kasi siya? Lusaw. Yan. Pagka ganito kasi pangit talaga. Dahil lusaw na lusaw, which is dapat parang negative 10 lang dapat ngayon. Careful, it's water. Yan. Yan. So kaya bako-bako ang ice at saka snow. Hindi siya yung maganda na ang form. Alam niyo yun na parang parang nilabas mo yung ice sa freezer. Diba, nagtuo ka ng manok. Tapos biglang napakainit pala yung pinagtutuwan mo. So, nangyari ay ganito. Bukol-bukol yung snow. Yan, bukol-bukol. Kaya ganun. So, try natin kung okay siya. At hindi pa natin alam kung talagang successful itong sliding na to. Dahil kung makikita nyo, ayan, walang nag-i-slide. Yan. Walang nag-i-slide doon. Sabihin, dahil sa pangit siya. Oo. Yan. Oh, dito, we go this way, Chloe. Yeah.
Papa, can I ride on that place?
No. It's getting hard for me too. Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead. So dyan tayo papunta mga kapariko. Yan Ito, walang ito, first time namin mula nagbakasyon kami. Pagdating namin dito, ngayon lang kami makapag-sliding. Ayan. Yan, dyan tayo sa bulubundukin na yan. Tingnan natin kung gaano ka ganda. At nakikita naman natin, wala talagang nag-slide. Dahil nga, pangit nga. Bako-bako ang snow. Hindi siya talagang matigas. Dapat kasi talaga matigas ang yan. Don't run, Chloe. Maybe that one is very slippery. We don't know yet. See, yung kumikinang na yan ay talagang lumalagapak tayo. Babagsak tayo dyan. Mamaya-maya lang. Yan. Kailangan lang Gano'n natin yung ano natin. Paa natin. Para abot pa tayo. Ayan.
Sus! Saan so takot?
Yan. Okay. So ngayon, nasa tuktok na tayo. Oo, tinaniman nila. Bakit nila sinira ito? Nilagyan nila ng ano, tanim. Sira pala sila. Ayan. So mag-sledding na tayo pababa. Okay, let's go. Let's start. Hindi na natin na... Oh, drive it. Oh, drive mo. I-drive mo. Drive. Drive mo. Ha? Okay, cause I make a video. Okay, so let's go. Okay. Pwede pa pala. So try natin. Yan. Nice. Nice and okay. Sanap, sanap. Okay. Okay pa pala. Ayos pa din. Ayan. So, okay pa. So, yun nga lang. Wala tayong dalang bonnet. Medyo mangin. Pero may araw pa naman kasi kaya okay lang. Pag wala tong araw, gagawin natin. Ay, hinto na natin. So, uwi na kami. Slowly, Chloe, ha? Be careful. Ayan.
I can go.
I know.
I can go flying.
I know. Yeah, the holes could grip. Could help you to grip all your, you know. Okay, so nasa tuktok na naman tayo. Ayan. So, start na naman tayo sa ating, ano? Yeah. Green. Okay. Ito na ulit. Okay, hold it. Hold. Hold tight. Go like this. Do. Hold. Like that. Yeah, like that. Like a horse. Do like this. Do like this. More, more. Nah, nah. Like this. Hold it. Like this. Yan. Hold tight. Like that. Okay. Ganyan. Ganyan ito lang dati. Ganito lang lagi. Ang trip namin dito. No, no way. Go, get out. Okay, come on. Hold it. Okay. How can I push you? It's hard, you know. Alam nyo, nakakahingal din, mga kaparikoy. Ito, dito tayo, yung mga kuba-kuba na yan. Yan. Kasi, sobrang ano niyan. Sobrang slippery niyan. Kaya hanap tayo ng yun. We go this way. Yeah, we go there, that way. Okay. Hold on, hold on. Just take a rest on my... Okay, ready? All good?
Yep.
No, you're not ready. Do like this, as I told you. Hold tight like this, yeah. Okay, go. Yeah! Yeah! Yeah. Go this way, Chloe. That way. Yeah. Okay. You go alone? I will make a video for you, okay?
No, I'm scared going alone.
Okay. Give me that. Give it this way. Give me that. Go this way. Hey, leave it. Yeah.
Directly to the tree?
Yeah. What do you mean by the trees?
I'm not ready.
Ready? Okay. Okay, hold tight if you want. You can hold it, this one, my phone? No? You can hold my phone?
Not sure.
Are you sure? Okay.
Make sure you don't drop it.
Ah, yeah. Aray ko. Yan ang problema sa mga taong may hika. Dahil oh, dahil isa yan sa hirap makahinga. Talagang hihikain ka. Lalo na kapag ang lamig ay ano sa ilong mo at saka hininga mo. Ayari talaga. Actually, dito lang tayo sa school ni Chloe, yan o. At doon yung bahay namin, yun o. Yung condo namin dyan. Dyan. So, lapit lang. Ang school niya, tsaka, ano. Where you go, Chloe? Yeah.
Right there.
Okay. No. Okay, go.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah! Oh, straight! Ah. 13 minutes na. Ayan, kaya pa. Gawin natin ng mga 20 minutes to. O 22 minutes. Yan. Pumasok ang ay sa paa ko. Sakit. Sa lamig. Ayan, ang sikat ng araw. Alas 2. Where you go? That way? Huh? Oh, this way. We go this way. It's plain. Oh. Yeah, go here. Yeah. So, para matulin. Para matulin siya. Yeah, we're doing like this. Okay. See? Yeah. Hey, yan na. Yeah.
Oh, jeez. My hand is freezing.
Why?
Look, come on. Save my lips. My command is so many.
So lamig. Okay, put in your pocket. Yeah.
Ay, nako. Ay, sis, kumay. Tatay,
Hold. Hold tight, Daddy. Hold. Dito na tayo banda kasi napaka-stiff doon.
tatay.
Oops.
I'm frozen.
We go this way. Oops. Oh, hold tight. Hold tight. Hold tight. Okay. We're good. We're good now. We will not go there anymore. I think we go this way. Much better. Okay. Oh, sit down. Okay, hold tight, eh? Hold tight.
Antonia, no.
All good? Ready? Ready? Hold tight. Yeah! Yeah! Ah! Yeah! Ah! Yeah! Ah.
This time, put your camera.
Where?
Put your camera the other way, like looking how we're going sledding.
So how? That's why I told you. I'm going to leave for you and make a video. Okay? You go.
Scared.
Yeah, you go alone. Okay? I'll drop you there. Okay? You can?
Okay.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Yeah. That's why I told you.
I'm a little bit scared, but okay. For our
We don't have the stand. That's the problem. It's low bat. I just now done for my live.
I'll do it for the viewers. So scared.
Okay? So now we go this way only. Okay? So it's easy for you. Okay. Oh. Sit down.
No.
Yeah. Sit down. Hold tight.
Okay.
Hold tight. Okay, hold it. Hold for a moment. Just go like this in your feet first. Just wait for me because I'll go there down. Okay? Okay, just stay there for a moment. Don't move. So mag-slide siya. So mag-slide siya. Siya lang. Okay, go. Nice, nice. Woo. It's fine. Okay, all good. All good? You're good? Ah, you're burning. Ah. Okay, here. Okay, put your pocket. Put your pocket. Yeah. Okay, one more. One more. Little
Maybe
bit.
together now.
Okay. So I'll leave the phone here. Maybe
Maybe we can.
we can. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There's a camera there. Come on. No, no.
Hello.
Okay.
Let's do this. Now.
Forgot talaga. We forgot our gloves. Hello. Here we are. Here we go. Woohoo. Woohoo.
You just saw that. That was so good.
Go. Let's go. Here you are. Here you go.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
I'm bleeding just a little bit.
Oh, okay.
I got hurt by the snow ice.
Yeah. Really?
So that's why I don't like going by my own.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. No. We have no gloves. That's why. We have no gloves.
That is, yeah.
Yeah. There's no gloves. That's why. Ah. Alam nyo yung ice kasi. Ang bilis masugat ng kamay mo. Aray ko. Chloe. Hold my. Don't hold my hand. Ang bilis nakakasugat sa sa kamay yan.
Sugat.
Pagka na Okay. So what are you gonna do? Do it. Okay, let's go. I fixed already. Now you're just okay. Yeah. Of course, just hold it. Come on. Okay. Tara, let's go. Woo. Bye-bye. One. Another one.
Try.
Okay. Okay, let's start here again. Okay. Let's start again. Okay, go. Okay. See you. Sa pang right. Sa pang right. Oops. Kailangan straight. Kailangan straight. Yeah, like that. So, yan tayo. Going back. Hiningal ako. Tara, mag-last buy na tayo. Last. Inuwi na. Okay. Let's go. Do nicely, do nicely. Yeah. Okay. Stand up. Okay. Let's go.
Please, can I do this? Please, just one here. Please, do this.
Okay. Ayan. Si
Hi,
Ayan, so
hi, snow.
Ayan, so maraming salamat ulit sa inyo pagsubaybay sa aking mga kwentong Buhay Canada. Kaya dito lang sa Buhay Canada.